Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This unboxing is going to be a little different because it is a smaller unboxing. I figured let's do the unboxing with just the box itself. This is a $5 quarterly box. Walmart sends these out every quarter, $5. I believe now they're $6.98. So I should stop saying that they're $5. $6.98 per quarter, and this is one of my favorite boxes. It has everything in it. So let's go ahead and get started today. So this is what the box looks like when it comes to your mailbox, and this is what it looks like when you open it. So this month we've got some really nice goodies. We have the Walmart Spring 2021 Walmart Beauty little envelope, and it has all of these name brands in there. So this is never a mystery box. You always know what you're getting. I always make it a mystery box because I never look to see what I'm getting. Anyway, I will link in the description box down below if you want to order this box and get it for yourself or even get it for someone else. So I will link everything down below. So first item we are getting, well, what we got is these scrunchies, and these scrunchies come in handy. These are actually really nice. They're 5 pieces. And it's Wild Primrose. I love the colors, although not a spring color, but they're good enough, you know. I really like the colors. They're neutral with the blue and the green, and these retail for $4.97 to $7.97, as you can see there. Wild Primrose by Scrunchies Hair Accessories. So this is a full-size item. Again, this will pay for your box. Oh, excuse my nails, I'm hiding my fingers. So this will pretty much pay for the box. So let's see what else we got. We got Hello toothpaste. This is really good toothpaste. I like it. It says farm grown mint fluoride toothpaste, and it's with tea tree and coconut oil. And this item is a sample size, and the retail value on that is $3.99 for 4 ounces. The next item is this Avena Instituto Español Collagen Body Regeneration, softens and moisturizes. Let me try to pronounce this in Spanish. Colágeno loción regeneradora humectant. You could tell that I'm not very good. I gotta practice up my Spanish. Anyways, this is worth let's see, the full size is 17 ounces and it's $5. This one is, how many ounces is this? This is a 3.4 ounces. So it's not bad. It's a nice size deluxe sample size. So we got that. And the next thing is Palmer's. It is Palmer's a length retention biotin pack, created for all curl patterns and textures. I'll give this to Sandra because her hair is kind of curly, and that's what that looks like. And this is worth, let's see, is that a deluxe sample or is that the Palmer's length retention biotin pack? This is actually $1.77. So far we've gotten $10, give or take, like $10 worth of items. And then this is a full-size product for sure. This is called Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Manicure Set, but you know, I like my impressed nails, which I don't have right now, so forgive the nails. That's what that looks like, and that is worth, wow, $6.97. So we've got, like, maybe, depending on how much the scrunchies are, this is actually a $10 box or more. And this is definitely a full-size item. This is the Hello Charcoal Infused Bristles toothbrush, and that is worth $3.99. So $4 for the toothbrush, which is always great to have. So $4 for that. This was $1.77, so that's about $6. This depends. This can range either from $5 to $8. So we'll do 6. So we'll do 6 for this, and what did I say? 6, 10, almost $12 there. This was like $7, so this is about $19. So this is about a $20 box. All of this for $6.98. So if you're interested in getting this box, I will link it down below. Again, this is Spring 2021 Walmart Beauty box. And you know, I will list it down below. I love this box. It's a limited edition assortment of products made with ingredients you can feel good about. So I will go ahead and link everything down below so you can go ahead and get your box. Again, thank you for being here with me. Until next time, hasta laters.